Let's get to Emma Landeros now with a look at your forecast. Hey, Emma.
Hey, Justin, we've got lots of changes for the remainder of this week. Mainly for today, all you got to know is it's warm. It's feeling a little bit muggy out there, but despite that, it's really feeling more like spring. We're dealing with lots of clouds, however, and of course, this is a live look on our South Tulsa 4K cam, part of Wade's RV Weather Camera Network. Hopefully some clouds can move out of the way and we can continue to warm up, but we are already at 74 degrees. That is much warmer than what we've been dealing with the past few days. We're at 72 in Coweta. Inola is sitting at 71 degrees. Now those winds continue to be very gusty, 26 mile per hour wind gust in Tulsa, 31 mile per hour wind gust in Bartlesville. Now, we are going to continue to deal with those strong winds, especially as we continue on into the evening hours ahead of a cold front that's going to be arriving for tomorrow. Now, as we go into this evening, check that out, 75 degrees for your 8 o'clock hour. We're just going to continue to be in those 70s pretty much throughout the remainder of today, continuing to see hopefully a few breaks in the clouds. But like I mentioned, we do have a storm maker arriving Thursday. So as we continue to play this out, we're going to stay calm for today, continuing to see those strong south winds, and then we'll start to see a little bit of some scattered showers. This is mainly around the 3 o'clock time frame. That's when we start to see some storms starting to develop. Now, once these develop, it's looking to go into the metro. As you can see, we are monitoring some of these storms because they could be strong to severe hail right now. It's going to be that primary threat. Now, as you can see, some of those are going to continue to push further northeast. Now, yesterday was looking a little bit south. The reason these are moving north is that cold front is delayed. And because of that, we do have that risk to see some of these strong to severe storms here across the Tulsa area. That is really going to continue at least until the 5 o'clock time frame, continuing on into later that evening. And that's mainly that severe threat for that hail. Tornado risk is very low, but not zero. And then after that, overnight hours, we're really just looking at heavy rainfall. So that flash flooding in some areas is going to be a concern because we're looking at heavy rain all the way until Friday later in the early afternoon hours. So do keep that in mind in terms of that rain. We are in that highlighted region. That's 2 out of 5 risk to see strong to severe storms. And this area is actually hatched, which means it has that higher risk to see large hail, at least 2-inch hail. So that is going to be that concern because guess what? Tulsa Metro is included in that region. So we're going to keep a close eye out on that. And then I also mentioned that heavy rainfall. Well, we do continue to run that risk for some heavy rainfall, mainly here across eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Of course, our areas who desperately need that rain aren't going to see too much, but we'll take it as we continue on into your day. Now, as we approach Friday, we will be left with cooler temperatures in the upper 50s, and for your weekend, 64 for Saturday. Few rain chances for Sunday morning and warming up into the upper 60s, and for next week, staying nice, calm, and dry.